Finding and browsing through journals in your field is a useful way to learn about what other scholars are researching. The Journal Search option makes this easy. Start on the Ball State University Library's homepage at www.bsu.edu/library and scroll down to click on the Do Research square. Look under More Help for the link to Journal Search. If you have a journal in mind, you can type it into the search box. If the library has any coverage of the journal, it'll come up in the list. Click on the title to find out more information and information about access to the title under View Online. For some journals, like this one, we have online access in more than one way. Look carefully at the available dates as you decide which link to click on. To see recent issues, we should click on this bottom link, because it doesn't have an end date, whereas the others have a moving wall of coverage. For this journal, our access is through the journal publisher's webpage, where you can choose the issue you want to browse to bring up the table of contents for that issue. Back on the OneSearch page for the journal, notice the Search Inside box. Type in keywords if you want to learn about articles from this journal, which include your terms. The results will be presented in OneSearch. If you don't have a journal title in mind to browse, and instead want to learn about journal titles in your field, you can explore the Journals by Category function on the Journal Search page, clicking on a broad category and drilling down to a narrower one. Once you choose an individual journal title, you'll be presented with your different access choices. Sometimes, as in this case, your access will be through a database. Careful, again, to read the date coverage notes. Often it's useful to read the fine print about what's covered. Here, this lets us know that we won't be able to read the most recent year's worth of articles. Next, choose the year you want to start exploring. If you ever have any questions about browsing journals, visit the Ask a Librarian page from the library's homepage. Chat, call, text, or email us for answers.